Hi everybody, I'm Danni Dancer, and today's Brain Break is brought to you by Hamill Foundation. So today I am going to show you all how to make your very own Christmas cracker. Not a cracker that you eat, but a cracker that you pop. This is actually something that dates back to the Victorian era, and so this is something that in England folks will actually pop these Christmas crackers before dinner and see what is inside. Today I'm going to show you how to make the traditional items you would find inside a Christmas cracker, as well as the cracker itself. To make the Christmas cracker container, you'll need a paper towel roll cut into 3 pieces and a length of wrapping paper. You'll also need some glue stick and a couple of pieces of ribbon to tie off the ends. Inside the Christmas cracker, we're going to put 2 traditional items: a paper crown, which you will need some tissue paper, some tape, and some scissors to make, and a joke. We just need a piece of paper and a pen to write our joke down. To make the crown, start at one end of your tissue paper and begin folding over again and again. You're going to fold in the same direction every time. Cut a piece of tissue paper about 3 or 4 inches wide. Then cut a triangle shape out of one end. Unfold your crown. Then tape it in a circle. Don't worry too much about fit. These are supposed to be pretty big. Fold it up and set it aside for now. Next, write down your joke. It can be a holiday-themed joke, and it doesn't have to be very good. These are usually pretty cheesy. Roll up your joke so it will fit inside the cracker, and add a little bit of tape to seal it closed. To make your cracker, separate your 3 lengths of paper towel roll on the inside of your wrapping paper and roll it up. Using your glue stick, seal the end closed. In one of the gaps between your 2 paper towel rolls, gently pinch that area closed and then give it a little twist. Then use your ribbon to tie that end closed. Next, place your crown and your joke into the open end of the cracker. If you want, you can add something else like confetti or beads to your cracker. Find the other gap, squish in the middle, twist a bit, and add your second ribbon. You can leave the cardboard ends where they are, or just take them out. All right, our Christmas cracker is done. The last step is to find a friend. Each grab one end, and we're both gonna pull at the same time to see who gets to keep the stuff inside. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, right, you know what this means? I get to wear the crown. Oh, right, hang on, wait for it. John, I know you're about to be jealous. Ta-da! right? You do this before dinner so that you can wear it during dinner and people can take funny pictures of you. And of course, the joke that I know you've all been waiting for. John, can I get a drum roll on this joke? What do elves learn in school? The alphabet. Totally worth the wait. Thank you very much, everybody, for joining us for today's Brain Break, brought to you by Hamill Foundation. We'll see you all next time. Bye.